Abadiano. Pass break, they go. Inside pass to number 26.
26.
That is Chuki. As we see a steal. And fast break, they go all alone for Banomio. Extending the lead for Gilas. Banomio! And the line of the Giant. And again, another high screen, yes. They go to Edu. Open for three. Bang! Brought to you by Happy Jones. Help defense that time. By Ramirez. And a nice shot that time. Fast break play for Gilas. 6-5 for Rayyan. Here comes Gilas, pushing the tempo now. Pull-up jumper for Trey. Bang! Brought to you by Happy. They're just missing those shots right here.
I think the early assault.
Yes. Edo side stopping. Jumper, got the lead. 41-20. They go inside.
Nice recognition.
Nice recognition by Kai Soto. Not only, but the other, they swing the ball around. Tamayo, corner three. Bam! Put to us by. As we see a steal going dive for the loose ball. Diving for the loose ball.
What a defensive
Yes.
effort by
Rayyan team. Here comes Gilas, last shot, time floater on the way. It's good. What a shot that time.
nice bucket by
For Banomio, yes, to end. Land of the Giant. He kicks it out and a steal. All alone. Number 19, that is Spencer. Abadiano, Ildefonso. Okay, corner three. Bam! Hook to you. Jordan travels. They have a good look that time, so it capitalizes. Calma, double team, turnover. And they swing the ball around. Extra pass for three again. Bam! Yes. Tougher opponent.
Youth powerhouse Argentina.
It is called the group of
Russia,
death. Yeah, the group of death.
and Greece.
Oh, as we see a three-point shot. Okay. Here comes Gilas. Corner three again. No, this time around. Edo!
Nice stop.
Dunk by Edo. They swing the ball around. They share the ball. Extra pass. Corner three. Abadiano for three. Bang! Brought to us.
System as
Yes.
well.
So I was wondering why they settled for those jump shots early in the game, not the middle of it. Okay, as we saw, a guy saw the fake. Edu.
Short jumper.
Oh, wow. Yes. Skip
Anopio.
pass. Anopio for three. Bang! What does by? Okay, final
Another
24
one
seconds.
From, Hong Kong. Carlos
Wow.
Gutierrez.
Thank you very much.
Louis.
It's overwhelming. Oh, and another
Tamayo.
three. Bang! Brought to us by Happy John Travels, and Gilas is playing. It's like they're down by 20 right now. They're making those threes. They're making the full court pressure, so I think Team Con will be some kind of angry or with this kind of lead. For Coach Team Con only, huh? Okay. Edu sideline in the play, so they will just waste this time. Okay. That's it for the match. 93-64.
And we'd like to thank also Rayyan Sports Club for giving the Gilas youth an opportunity.
Thank you very much. Each and everybody, you've been such a good audience for us. Too much shout out. Yes,
from
and too much greetings from
our
our
team
viewers.
of Dream.
Yes.
Happy
From
viewing from
Batangas. You are live from the live stream. Everybody's watching you. And you're such a phenomenal star. We see a lot improvement from you. Especially the US training. You've improved a lot. How is it so far going for your program, Kai?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng Pilipinong sumuporta sa amin, nanonood. Sana malaman nyo na malaking bagay yun para sa akin and sa team namin.
Yes.
Hindi mangyayari itong yung laro ko kung di dahil sa mga coaches ko and sa mga teammates ko, dahil sila yung nandyan na para tumulong sa akin.
Thank you very much, Kai. At talagang yung training mo, will it continue? Continue pa rin yung US training mo, Kai?
Yes. mag-continue pa rin yung training ko.
So, going to the World Cup now, you are in the group of death. Russia, I think Greece, and Argentina. So, what are your game plans going to this game? You will go to full court pressure, you will go to 3-point shots. Can you share us some game plans that Coach Sandy is telling you?
Mag-focus muna kami sa first game namin na
Yes.
kalaban Greece kasi
Greece, medyo mabigat.
Mabigat yun and yun nga, home court nila kaya ayun, yung game plan na yun sa amin na yun as a team na everyday tuloy-tuloy kami para mag-prepare para sa first
Yun,
game.
continuous preparation. Kay Soto, ladies and gentlemen, from Qatar. Maraming salamat, Kay. Thank you very much. And more power, more power, more power, more power.